We know now our chair has finished the telephone, and I welcome to him to little bit speech, Mr. Abu Bakr Muhammad Ali.
Abu Bakr Ali, who is the chairman of the community centre.
Yeah, thanks everybody who came here. To be honest, this shows that we are united, and it makes us to unite together again. I mean, I would like to thank especially the emergency team who put this fire in a short notice, and you've seen how the building, the way it went, and I mean, no one and nothing happened surrounding this building. Thanks all, I mean, emergency team. I also would like to thank all the neighbors who came and support us. This is our community. I had different visits with multi-faith communities. They are all behind to this community, and we are all said together, we are united. We need to work together from today. We see the building is down, and hopefully soon this building will build up again and will be working everything as a normal. I would like to thank, the local authority, especially the local councillors who are behind us. Yesterday, today they are here. Local MPs, London Assembly. We're all here. I would like to thank everybody today. I think it shows that we are united. We're not divided. We will unite together. There's no difference between any religions. We're all one community. Hey. This community is one community. There always will be one, and they will stay one together. Thanks, everybody. Hey.
Thank you. And our solidarity and our best wishes goes to you and the community.